blast. Yeah, man, you never see better food, man, Mr. Rasta.
So this is our, oh, this is the oil.
Yeah.
Okay.
See?
Yeah.
See that?
Can we pull it outside just so we can see better in the light? Is that okay?
Hold it. Hold that.
Okay. That's the oil that just floats to the top naturally
Yes, sir.
after we let that,
Set.
this,
Like we call
after
it
squeezing it. Oh,
Yes, set. Man.
okay.
Yeah. That's how we deal with that. Yes, sir. Me about you. You can put it there. Yes, sir. Stone, good stone.
You need another one to raise it up?
Yeah.
Get a good stone.
What is that?
Got some wood on it?
It's a good something.
So you just skim the top.
See the water there?
Yeah.
The water.
A little nice water underneath.
Ah, sure.
Wow, look how thick it is. It's wild.
Wild.
Because I guess there's different ways to make the coconut. They always say there's cold pressed, and I guess there's a heat treatment way.
This is the way, brother. This is the way you make coconut oil, yeah?
Yeah.
Anyway, nobody there and see Ras. You know, just sit there, tell the man make the coconut oil there.
That's not good.
Wild, Matthew, wild. Ras wild, you know.
Yeah, I know. That's quite a lot. That's a lot more than I was expecting. Because that's just 2 coconuts.
Yes, sir.
Grated, squeezed, left to chill out.
That's how everyone do it in Jamaica, you know. Skinhead.
Rastas and bald heads.
So they deal with the oil situation.
So what do you do with the water part after? It's good to drink?
Oh, well, people always have it in a macho. And the trash to mix together to give the hog. Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, people who deal with them issue who boil oil. Then don't throw away nothing. Mother road, Matthew. Mother road. Do road, you know, man. We talk about do road, you know, with video, you know. I'm gonna throw away. I got the fire and I got it, put it in there. That's it.
Yeah, excellent. It's really cool to see this one because I was curious for a long time.
So we make oil.
Yeah.
Okay. You throw away this one. Throw away this one.
Junior's got the fire rocking here.
So I work when I working, you know?
Yes. And this is the first time we've used this coal one here.
Put oil on it.
Okay.
But the oil pot we're going to work on it, you know. So we got no video going on, you know.
Whoa, that lit up fast. Bit of kerosene.
Yeah, boom.
Yeah.
Make up some fire.
Bone coal, charcoal.
How's it looking? Yeah, starting to.
No.
It's just starting to go. It's got to be going boiling up pretty strong before you take it out.
Yeah, man. Everything not you not see again. More oil. Oil you're gonna see.
All right.
Take a boil, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, it looks nice. Sounds nice. Ah, the texture looks totally different now.
Good. That's how they make coconut oil stuff. Keep my color on them.
Yeah, starting to separate. So you lean the pan to kind of get it away from that white stuff? You want to separate it?
No, you want it dry. You want it to be high, right?
The bubbles look so nice.
Yeah, like clear crystal, brother.
Yes, brother. Yeah, crystal clear, organic.
Yes, sir. Rasta kicking coconut oil. This is it.
Yeah.
This is it now. This is it. That's the way people do a Rasta do see it, you know.
So it's maybe been going for 20 minutes or so on the hot coals. So the goal is you want to burn off all the other sort of stuff that was white before and only leave the oil. You burn off the other stuff, like the white stuff that was in there, and then only the oil is left.
The white stuff? Yeah, I skim it, you know.
Yeah.
After I skim it down, I put it in that, so that's the oil. In this?
Yeah, see the brown crusted stuff?
Yeah, that will come out of the oil, you know.
That's whatever we want to get out of it.
Yeah. So that we don't have no dealing with it. Me just I got to strain it off, you know, and put it down.
Great.
And put on the oil. People can't see the oil. Maybe you put now on. Maybe we put now on crystal clear backlight or what. The people can't see the oil.
Nice.
Watch it. Yeah, like. You see this?
Yeah.
You put this in the river now. You catch fish like here.
Yeah, they love the coconut.
Yeah, so what you gonna do? Yeah, go left it in there.
Yeah, let's leave it. I'll try to catch some fish
Yeah,
later.
yeah, go left it in there. See?
Yeah.
So if I'm tomorrow morning, you try to catch some fish before we touch the road.
Nice.
That's it in a river, man. So this gonna stay, right?
Right.
You use it catch fish a morning and Friday and Chris. We call that custard.
Yeah.
Yeah, custard that.
And fish love it.
And fish love it. We're gonna get some fish with it later.
So we got some luck with the rice the other day, or sorry, we
This
used
with a
corn.
verse. This no. This you carry this go down there now. Go put it in the water. But you go down there, it's full of fish to blood. Right now you can't go put it in here. And left it and put the cover over it. Full of fish.
The fish he wants is coconut, yum yum, custard. And there's a nice oil left.
Nice oil, man. Real. Oh. You good for food. Rub your skin. You did do everything. That a natural coconut oil. No full business. Good for your skin. Good for your heart. Everything. Coconut oil. Rasta kitchen make that. And I want to look on it and see how coconut oil make. You're not using it, but you don't know it prepare. But I just like how you say we use it, you know. I saw it prepare. So you can't, when I think no pound, you can't do that, you know, but I saw it, you still look. The more you look, the more you learn. A question if you don't know. Fuck. Rasta kitchen coconut oil. Good for everything. You look to it, you know, on the market there, you know. You see it's clear and pretty. Fresh from yard. Fresh from yard.
And maybe coming to our shop soon.
Yeah. Good. That's up all the fans who go for it, you know. Who like it, you know. Cause the real thing. Rasta not do nothing with on a real thing, you know. More high tal, you know, put nothing in there, you know. The video man there and I see what go on. So if nothing put in there, I must coconut and skim off coconut water and that's the bad one and get the good one, you know. Get the good oil. Come on. You just look to it, this is natural. Rub your skin, your whole body, you just take care of this. The coconut oil, Rasta kitchen. You see all these? You see all these around here? You see all these? This is the jelly what we have, fresh from yard, yeah. You want your heart to clean? Just drink a jelly in a Rasta yard, you know? You get back lively, yeah. Yeah, man.